My YouTube friends, we are eventually back with another video. This time we are watching some passenger trains, first the Trans-Karoo, then the Orange Express, and lastly the Suburban making a quick appearance. Here we see the Trans-Karoo departing from Bloemfontein, hauled by an ancient Class 51 diesel locomotive, and it is slowly pulling out of the station, the locomotive going into power next to that nice big rock face. You can see the start of the rock face on the right and the coal mine to the left of the picture, now hidden by the passenger train. And here we see the train quite close up. Sadly, no passengers in these coaches yet. I think the only one with a detailed interior is actually the dining car. And here we're crossing the bridge with the waterfall, and we will soon be descending to the lower level. This is on the upper level of my layout. And excuse if the camera work is a bit shoddy. I have to do the running of the trains and the filming all on my own. So sometimes things get a bit out of hand. Luckily, with a bit of editing, things can be more or less made better, but not always. Here we are on the main line behind East London Harbour. You can see the crane in the foreground, as well as some of the loads that have been unloaded, the steel coils and some frames for the car factory. And here we come racing through, also behind East London Harbour still. And here we are moving out of Aloes onto the bridge spanning the garage door. And once we have crossed the bridge, we'll be entering into the main station, which is Waterkloof. There we see we have a green indication for the main line. And excuse the pen holder in front, that is used during operating sessions for a whiteboard marker. Then we can tick off the trains as they have run on a cheat sheet. That is basically a sheet with all the train names and all the instructions that is laminated, and laminated plastic functions as a whiteboard quite well. So you can write on it with the whiteboard marker and erase it again. Here we are entering into Waterkloof main station, into platform 1, which is also the main line. And here we see the Orange Express coming down from the upper level, also from Bloemfontein, the main passenger station. And here we are rounding the same curve behind East London Harbour. Seems this is a busy stretch of main line. And you can see a quick glimpse of the harbour in the foreground. And on the left is the diesel depot that is currently inhabited by more electric units than diesels. And we are also running into platform 1 in Waterkloof. So we will soon be coming to a halt for passengers to disembark and to get on the train, those who want to go to Bloemfontein. Here we're departing from Waterkloof. And see the green signal, and as soon as the train hits the trigger, optical sensor, it turns to red. And there we are going into Aloes. You can see the two zebras having a bit of a chat around the tree. It's probably the middle of the day and quite warm. And we continue in Aloes, seeing the plants, the actual aloe plants in the foreground. I still need to add a few more of those, but actually need to make some more and then add them. And this is again East London Harbour. This time we're on the inner main line. That is the one that climbs up to the upper level. You can see the Volkswagen Beetles ready for export that were manufactured by the car factory in Aloes. And the passenger train disappears behind a backdrop and reappears as it enters into power right by the coal-fired power station. It can probably be coal-powered as well. And we see the ES1 battery-operated locomotive there by the power station's little spur track. And here we are waiting for the train, looking at the rock face, coming past the 3D printed catenary masts. They are removable and they don't have wires, so that I can actually work on the track, clean the track, and do maintenance if need be. So there's some more of the masts, and they will be eventually all painted in the metal colors and a grayish color. And there will be more of them along the platform in Bloemfontein. And here the train is departing the Orange Express and coming into Vlakteplaas. When Vlakteplaas, we see the Suburban leaving at quite a speed, and we know that the Suburbans are quite hasty when they depart. They quickly get up to speed and they come to a stop quite quickly as well. Here we're back in Bloemfontein, and there the Suburban departs back to Vlakteplaas. And here it is coming into Vlakteplaas for the end of its run. And that, my friends, is the video that we have for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and give it a like, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.